Hello friends, can you hear that awesome sound? It is raining. It's really light, but as you can see, I've got my little measuring thing here, so I will know exactly how much rain we get. And this is why I so wanted to get so much footage, because it changes so quick. It goes from, this dry, barren, hot, icky place to, this green, luscious, gorgeous paradise. I did think it was going to rain because of just all the little signs that were happening around the place this morning. I was like, If you remember, 2 days ago, I was telling you that my rainwater tank by my house was empty. So you just have no idea the relief. Now you can see the rain that's coming from here. And look at that beautiful sight. George and Charlie haven't quite got the same enthusiasm as I do about the rain. Georgie's not quite that happy, but I think he's happy with the cooler weather. And Charlie's sort of, I don't know, Mum, do I play in this or not? As you can hear, the birds are happy. They're chirping away. I know you're thinking, Pam, it's not that exciting. But I'm sorry, if you lived the last 4 months out here, you would be so happy to see this too. There's some galahs up in the tree. And being typical galahs, hanging upside down, and they are the funniest bird. I'm sure that's why they're called a galah, because they just do the craziest things, and they tease each other, and honestly, they are so funny with each other. This is a big sign that the rains are coming. But look how much, they're enjoying it. Their wings are spread. They're, just loving it. Just loving everything it brings. My whole farm is just so much happier. We will be going down to the dam tonight. It's only about 3:30 in the afternoon on the 24th of March. So this is our last bit. The last bit of rain was the 7th of March. So it is so good. Look, Charlie is so happy. Oh, he picked up his rope, he got sidetracked. Must have got an itch. So yeah, the last rain we got was the 7th of March, and it was like not even a mil of rain. Oh actually I lied to you, last week we got a bit of rain. Now these are parrots as well. And these are what we call 28s, or a lorikeet parrot. And they are one gorgeous bird too. So as you can see, the rain is settling in. Hopefully it's here for an hour or so. If it just does this little soft rain for an hour or so, that's fine. Fine by me. I'm happy with that. I'll show you these galahs again because they're just being hilarious. So next time you see a little tiny bit of rain like this and you think, oh, annoying or useless, what's it going to do? You think about my beautiful pink and grey galahs that look at the fun they are having with this tiny little bit of rain. Honestly, they are hilarious. Look at them, they look like bats hanging upside down. They're just hilarious. They're the funniest things ever. I just love them. Oh. So this is a great one for the motto, every little bit matters. And oh my gosh, every little bit of rain matters. Look how beautiful that is. Every little drop is going to go towards something fabulous. You can just see. I think if this rain hangs around, I think you'll start seeing some kangas coming out, because they love to dig in the wet grass. So I'm just loving all the birds out. It's interesting, the birds are always the first ones out, and then you see all the larger animals coming out. So have a beautiful day, remembering every little bit matters. And next time you think, oh, that's an annoying bit of rain, think of Pammy's pink and grey galahs having a little dance and a sing and a hang upside down and, you know, a cheeky laugh. They love it. Have a beautiful day. Bye.